Good morning, children. In today's class of our E.V.S, we'll be learning plan 2, food birds eat. In yesterday's class, we have seen the features of birds. In today's learning plan, we'll learn about what the food the birds eat. It is in content book, page number 29. We all eat food, right? To be healthy, to grow tall and strong. Animals also eat different kinds of food, and birds also eat food according to their beaks. Birds eat different kinds of food. Birds eat fruits, nuts, seeds, insects, and the flesh of other animals. So, birds also eat different kinds of food. They eat fruits, nuts, seeds, insects, and the flesh of other animals. They choose their food depending on the type of beak they have. You can see here birds have different types of beaks. Birds choose their food depending on the type of beak they have. Here if you see, a parrot have a curved beak. An eagle have a sharp and pointed beak. A duck have a broad and flat beak. Sparrows have small cone shaped beaks. Small birds have thin pointed beaks. Water birds have long pointed beaks. We will see how the beaks help them to eat their food. I've given in the daily schedule. Small birds like hummingbirds, which have thin and pointed beaks, eat insects. If the bird is having thin and pointed beak, they eat insects. Small birds like sparrows and parrots, which have small cone shaped beaks, eat seeds and nuts. Eagle have sharp and pointed beak. So they eat the flesh of other animals. The beak help them to tear and eat the flesh of other animals. Now water birds have long pointed beaks. Why? They have to pick fish from the water and they have to eat. So these are the different types of food the bird eats depending on the type of the beak. We'll be writing the keywords and we'll be doing the volume book, children. What do birds eat? Take the food item that birds can eat. If you see here, we'll be taking grains, right? Rohit has brought this bird home. What food should he give it? And why do you think so? The bird has a curved and hooked beak. If you see in the picture, it have a curved and hooked beak that looks very strong. So he can feed them fruits and nuts. What do you think this bird eats? Why do you think so? The bird has a long and pointed beak and it is near a pond. So it may eat fish from the water. If you see here, water birds have long and pointed beaks. So they pick and eat fish, right? So this is our learning plan 2, food birds eat. You all complete the work. I will see you in the next class. Bye bye, children.